Winter is here, and the world around us seems to pause. Fields are blanketed in snow, plants stand still, and everything seems frozen in time. But for farmers, the season doesn't stop. It transforms into a new kind of opportunity. Cold weather farming may feel intimidating, but with the right mindset and strategies, it can be a season of incredible success. Welcome to this guide on how to farm successfully in cold weather. Whether you're just starting or have years of experience, there's something valuable here for everyone. Together, we'll dive into proven tips, time-tested strategies, and insightful techniques to help you make the most of this unique farming season. So let's get started and learn how to embrace the cold, work with nature, and grow in ways that you never thought possible. Before the snow even falls, the work begins. Cold weather farming is all about preparation. You have to plan ahead, and the first step is choosing the right crops. While some plants wither in the frost, others, like kale, cabbage, and spinach, thrive in the chill. These hardy vegetables are perfect for winter, not only surviving, but often becoming sweeter and more flavorful in cold temperatures. But it's not just about what you plant. It's about how you care for the soil before the freeze. Adding organic matter like compost or planting cover crops can significantly improve your soil health, ensuring that your crops have the nutrients they need when it's time to grow. Now, soil preparation is essential. Healthy, well-balanced soil helps hold moisture and temperature better, ensuring your plants stay protected during extreme cold. And before it's too late, take the time to protect your soil by adding cover crops or mulch. These act as natural insulators for your soil, keeping it warm and healthy through the winter months. Another crucial step? Protective structures. While greenhouses and high tunnels may seem like expensive investments, they can dramatically extend your growing season. For smaller setups, row covers and frost cloths work wonders by trapping heat while allowing light to reach your plants. These tools not only protect against frost, but can also shield crops from harsh winds. When it comes to cold weather farming, timing is everything. You must plant early enough to give your crops a fighting chance before the first frost. For most crops, the ideal planting time is at least 6 to 8 weeks before the last expected frost date in your area. And remember, knowing your local frost dates is key. Use online tools or farmers' almanacs to help determine when it's safe to plant. Once you've chosen your crops and know your timing, it's all about planting smart. For example, cold-hardy greens like arugula and chard should be planted early enough that they can mature by the time the coldest months hit. And remember, frost-hardy crops often take a little longer to grow than others, so give them that extra space to thrive. Once the crops are in, it's time for the real magic: protection. Mulch, row covers, frost blankets, these are your new best friends. Even though the sun is weak during winter, your plants still need light, and row covers allow them to bask in those few precious hours of sunlight while keeping them insulated from the chill. Think of row covers as tiny greenhouses for your plants. These lightweight materials trap warmth, reduce wind damage, and provide protection from frost, all while still allowing plants to breathe. It's like giving your crops their own little cozy home. Now let's talk mulch. This simple yet powerful technique acts like a giant insulator, keeping your plant roots safe from freezing temperatures. Spread a thick layer of straw, leaves, or even wood chips around your plants to provide this extra layer of warmth. For those of you with livestock, winter care is just as important. Animals are especially vulnerable during the colder months, and ensuring their comfort is crucial. Start by offering well-insulated shelters to protect them from biting winds and the snow. Consider increasing their calorie intake to help them stay warm and healthy. In the winter, animals need more energy to regulate their body heat, so higher fat feed is a great option. Water can freeze quickly in cold weather, and no one wants to be hauling buckets of water in freezing temperatures. Install heated water troughs to ensure your livestock always have access to fresh, unfrozen water. Let's not forget about your farm equipment. The colder months can be tough on machinery, so it's vital to winterize everything before the cold really sets in. Clean and oil your tools, check your equipment for wear and tear, and store machinery in a warm, dry place to protect it from the elements. Take time to inspect tractors, plows, and any other equipment you rely on. This simple maintenance will save you time and frustration when the work starts piling up. Winter farming isn't just about strategy, it's about mindset. The cold months can be tough on farmers mentally and emotionally, but they're also a time of reflection, growth, and resilience. Embrace the quiet moments, enjoy the beauty of winter, and don't forget to take care of yourself too. Even when the frost sets in and the winds howl, remember that you are part of something much larger. Farming in winter is a journey that builds patience and grit. It's not easy, but the rewards are rich. So, are you ready to embrace the cold and start your own winter farming success story? With the right preparation, tools, and mindset, you can turn winter into your most productive season yet. Keep these tips in mind, and don't be afraid to experiment and adapt to your unique conditions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and let's keep the farming conversation going. Thanks for watching, and stay warm, stay inspired, and keep growing.